Hey guys, my name is Tino. I just want to address the thread here in the photo that I put up earlier in this forum. I was given this image by a customer, a potential customer. I'm not going to show you his name because it's not important, but I thought this was his image, and we've been talking about getting this display into his car. So I thought he was sending me a picture of his stuff, but that's not a problem. If it's not his, no big deal. I didn't mean to steal anyone's image. I just wanted to show the customer what is possible. So I'm going to scroll down here and show you what I did for him. And what I did is I had him measure the dash, and I showed him where to measure, and I gave him some examples of screens that we can use. And I also sent him a picture of a bezel because that's going to be used to cover up these holes. There's no screen on the market that's available to me with a shape like this. Custom made screens are extremely expensive, like $500,000 US just to get a prototype done. So unless you're a car manufacturer, probably not going to be able to afford something like that. I was talking to the owner of this dash pod, and he says there's a company in Japan that makes a 6-point screen, so I'm trying to get that information. What I'm trying to say is if there's enough interest, I can work with this forum to get a proper size screen, one that gives you some better aspect ratio instead of using a tablet or a square screen, something that'll fit in here. Even if we have to modify the corners to fit the screen, you can get a much larger graphic and it'll look more factory. It'll have better looking graphics, and it'll look more OEM. And I can get bezels made to cover these spaces. So if you're interested, send me a message. If there's enough of us that want to do something, then I can source a screen that will fit. We can make the bezels, and I can make a kit that'll fit in properly, and you won't have to use a tablet or scramble around to find a system. So anyway, sorry about all that confusion, and I hope that straightens everything out. Take care.